Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be sharing with you makeup products that I trust and recommend for photos and events, like products that will last all day long, products that always photograph well, in my opinion. So that's what this is gonna be all about, just some really fun recommendations. But before we get started, please give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Join the fam. Don't miss out on 3 videos a week. But if you want to see the makeup products I trust for pictures and events, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, this is gonna be fun. As usual, I have a bunch of products here that I wanted to include, so I'm just gonna pick something up and tell you why I recommend it. So no kind of order or anything, I'm just telling you guys what I like and why and moving on to the next. So again, this is makeup products strictly. We can just jump right in. So first product, my handy dandy Patrick Ta Major Dimension 3 Matte Eyeshadow Palette. This is my go-to for everything. Like, I love this palette with my whole heart and soul. I feel like I'm gonna have to get another one just because I hit pan on these 2 shades, and those are the ones that I use the most. I love this palette so much. It's all matte shades, but you get such a good variety of these like beautiful, warm, neutral, matte brown colors that go with literally just every single eye look you could possibly think of. They look so flawless every time. Like, it takes no effort to blend these to perfection. They're just amazing. I love them so much, and I love the fact that you get those 2 cream products at the end as well. These photograph so beautifully. These, again, last all day long. I wore all of these, not all of them, but I wore a good chunk of these on my wedding day, and I truly think that's a big part of the reason my eye makeup looked as good as it did, in my opinion. But yeah, definitely a huge recommendation if you're looking for a really solid palette that can be a go-to for events and that will look good in pictures. Next is a bronzer. I feel like I've talked about this one so many times lately, but this is the Too Faced Melting, Bronzing, and Sculpting Stick in Chocolate Caramel, and I'll have all the products linked in the description box. But this one, I'm wearing it right now. It just looks so good every time. Like, this truly is such a good formula. Whenever I swipe it on, I'm like, oh my God, you guys, when did I get eyeshadow on my face? Let's just move forward and pretend that didn't happen. I have no idea how I just got eyeshadow all over my, well, I guess it's all over my hands because I use and abuse this palette, but please ignore. Anyways, the formula of this is amazing. Like, just how creamy this product is, how pigmented it is, how little effort it takes to blend in, and then how long it lasts. Oh my gosh, this lasts all day long. Like, you do not need to touch it up. It works so well with other makeup products. It looks so good in pictures. Like, I love how pigmented it is because it really stands out in photos, but it doesn't look patchy or cakey or anything. It looks really flawless when it photographs. I just cannot get enough of this. Like, every time I know I'm going to be going somewhere like special and I really want to look good, I always find myself grabbing for this. Next is a blush. This is the Gucci Blush Debut in Bright Coral. I just love this one so much. I feel like I've tried so many blushes at this point, and this one still stays at the top of my list years later because it just looks so flawless. Like, every time I put this on, it looks like it was meant to be on my skin. Like, I can't even describe it. It looks so amazing, stunning, airbrushed, flawless, perfected. The way it looks in photographs is just like that. And then when you're actually going somewhere special and you want something that's going to be like the most foolproof, perfected blush, this is what I find myself grabbing for. So I really, really do recommend this one. And the packaging, like, I literally would use this just for the packaging because it's so pretty, but a huge recommendation. Next is foundation. This is the Chanel ULTRAWEAR All Day Comfort Flawless Finish Foundation. You guys, this is hands down one of my all-time favorite foundations. I wore this on my wedding day, and I got married in Mexico in the heat. and I had this on my face from the morning up until like past midnight, and it lasted the entire time. Like, looking back at all the photos from my wedding, my skin looked flawless. It looked perfected. It looked airbrushed. It looked like I didn't have a single blemish, dark spot, nothing on my skin. Like, and that is thanks to this product. It's like magic. It's so good. I have the shade B40, and when I have a tan, it is the perfect shade for me. I just really cannot recommend this enough. It is, I would say, like medium to full coverage-ish, but it doesn't look cakey. It doesn't feel gross, like makeup, heavy makeup on your skin. It feels so like light, and it doesn't feel like there's anything there. So I cannot recommend this enough. If you need something that's gonna photograph beautifully and literally last you the entire day in the hot weather. Again, these are my opinions, but that was my experience with that one. And then concealer, the Dior Forever Skin Corrector in 2N. I also wore this on my wedding day. Same deal. Literally lasted all day long, literally photographed so beautifully. Like, everywhere I put it on my skin where I wanted to highlight, I was like glowing and beaming, and it just looked amazing. I looked awake, I looked youthful. I didn't look like I was up from a very, very early hour getting ready. Like, it did everything I wanted it to and more. It's such a good concealer. A little goes such a long way. And for any event, it's gonna look flawless. For any photo, it's gonna make you look just so bright. I'm just obsessed. So definitely a recommendation. Then we have the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. This is an ube birthday cake. I strictly will use this for my under eyes. I won't use this on my entire face because I do feel like it will make your face look a little bit purpley if you use it everywhere, but just for my under eyes, if I'm not like piling it on there, it gives the most beautiful, beautiful airbrushed, creaseless, poreless effect without being too much of a color, if that makes sense. Like, it just gives the perfect amount of like a flush of some kind of color to blend into like where your blush goes, and it looks stunning every single time. Like, the first time I tried this, I was like, whoa. And every time I've used it since, it impresses me more and more. Like, every time I wear this on my under eyes and I look back at pictures, I'm like, wow, that looks so, so good. And it really does last all day long. It keeps your makeup set. It doesn't budge, doesn't crease up, doesn't look bad throughout the day. So I really, really love this one for photos and for events where you want something that's literally going to make your under eyes look flawless. So big recommendation. Then we have mascara, YSL Lash Clash. I have this in the brown shade. You could obviously get black, and I think there's maybe a couple other shades too. Love the brown, but I feel like this is such a good one because when you put this on, it does not move, you guys. And I've talked about this in other videos as well, but the bristles, typically I wouldn't love a brush like this, but the bristles on this one, for some reason, like how like big and fluffy they are, they don't really stick to my eyelids. They just coat my lashes perfectly. And this literally lasts all day. Like, I've cried in this mascara and it didn't move. I've done everything in this mascara and it didn't move. Even when I try to take this mascara off, it like wants to stay on my lashes. And it's not a waterproof one, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't believe this is a waterproof mascara specifically. I don't love those. But this one, oh my gosh, it just fluffs up your lashes. It gives you length, volume, thickness, all of it while still looking natural, and it literally will last all day long. So if you're going to an event, this one will literally be there the entire time with you, and it photographs so beautifully. Like this brown, whenever I wear this brown mascara in photos, I'm like, that looks so good. So I love this one. And then just a couple final products for lips. Obviously my Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut. This color is the perfect pinky nude. I have tried so many lip products and not a single one has compared to this. I recommend this to everyone all the time. Like, anyone that will listen to me, I tell them get this because it's so amazing. I'm wearing it right now as usual. I just cannot get enough of it. Lasts forever. I even got, I think it's a waterproof version of it. Also amazing. It's the perfect color. It's the perfect consistency. It feels so soft and creamy and good, but it doesn't bleed. So it's really good for events where you want it to last longer too. I also wore this on my wedding day and I was just stunned by it. So highly, highly recommend. And then last but not least, also a wedding pick, because if there's one event that you need your makeup to last all day long for and look good in photos for, it's your wedding. This was my lipstick of choice. It's the DIOR Rouge Dior Forever Liquid in the shade 100 Matte. This is the perfect pinky nude liquid lipstick to go with Wherever Walnut. Like, I lined my lips with this and then I filled them in with this one, and the color was absolutely perfect. I was getting so many compliments on the color of my lips, and every single time I've worn this after the fact, same thing. I get so many compliments because it's just the perfect pinky nude. It's a liquid lipstick, but it doesn't dry down your lips and leave like cracks or anything like that. They just still look so soft and plump. So I'm totally obsessed. It literally will last you all day long. I didn't have to retouch my lips at all pretty much throughout the night and day for my wedding, and it looks so good in photos. So cannot recommend enough. Those are all my recommendations. These are products that I've tried and that truly do last all day for me and look so good in photos whenever I look back and I know I've used these products. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know what you think about my choices. Let me know what else you want to see from me. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.